Okay, so I wanted to show off the new creeper detector that we made. Here's Angela. She'll be our driver today. So here's the circuit board that I created. It's got an FTDI chip and an Atmel 328P for processor. So basically, give or take, it's an Arduino Uno on a custom board with a USB connector. And then we've got some LEDs up there, individually addressable WS2812s that Angela has soldered on there for us. So we'll back out and show you how this works. So go ahead and load the game. You good?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Did you already press K to connect?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, we're connected on COM3 to the device.
Should be a
So now we're going to go looking for creepers.
There was a creeper over
As we
here.
get closer, the unit will begin to light up green, and the closer we get, the more green it becomes. There we go, starting to light up there, so we're getting close to one somewhere.
Oh, there it is.
Where is he?
He's up there. Oh,
Yep.
hi.
So go ahead and get close to him.
I don't want him to explode.
Well, that's fine. There we
Oh,
go.
hi.
You're now within his blast radius. It's blinking.
Ow.
And it
He
looked like he
exploded.
just blew up.
He exploded. It sounded like I blew
Oh,
up.
there's another one around.
Wait, there is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there were two creepers this morning. It's technically still morning. Let's see. Should be over here. It was chasing
Yep,
me.
he's getting closer.
Yeah, he was chasing
You can see as we
me.
get closer, the LEDs start to get brighter,
Aw, I thought that was
and
a
more of
creeper.
them come up.
Okay. Let's see. I thought that lettuce was a creeper. Okay, creeper, where are you?
Oh, you're really close.
I know. I'm in a field, which is worse, so I can't see it. Alright, where are you, creepy?
Oh, he's getting further away.
Where did he go? Is he over here?
Nope, it's getting further away.
No.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you're almost on top of him. He's really close.
Is he like in a cave?
Could be.
Or, because I think there was a cave over here.
Might dig down, see what happens.
Ah! Yep, there's a cave. Okay, so let's go back to where that creeper said it was. Or at least where I was close. Alright, where's as close as I'm gonna... Okay, right there's as close as I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go down here. Ooh.
Yep.
I don't have a pickaxe.
Well, this is going to take too long.
I think I'm almost done. Oh, there's another stone block. Luckily, stone isn't as hard to mine as, coal with your fist, I think. I think we're getting closer.
Yeah.
A little bit, at least. I think the cave would be over there.
I don't know.
Should we just go that way? I brought myself some lettuce so I can eat if I don't run.
Okay, well, this is getting boring. Anyway,
I think
that's
I'm
the creeper
almost there.
detector.
I want it to
Hope you
explode
enjoy.
again.